Hi everyone, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. As the temperature drops and the days get shorter, it's time to start thinking about preparing your lawn for the winter months ahead. In this video, we'll go through a step-by-step winter lawn care checklist. A fertiliser application at this time will help give your lawn a final boost of nutrients before we get into winter. It will also help your lawn to recover from any stresses that it endured over the warmer months and could also give it a final hit of colour as we head into the cooler time of year. If the temperatures are still warm in your location, you can use a granular fertiliser like Lawn Solutions Premium Fertiliser. If it's already started to cool down and your grass has slowed in growth, you are best to use a liquid fertiliser like Exceed liquid fertiliser, as the nutrients are taken up quicker through the leaf of the plant. As temperatures start to decline, your lawn will slow down in growth. And although it does slow down in growth, it's important that you don't stop mowing and always follow the 1/3 rule. What is the 1/3 rule? The 1/3 rule is how much of the leaf you remove when mowing. If you remove more than 1/3 of the leaf, it can cause stresses to your grass and cause it to scalp. By removing less than 1/3 of the leaf, it will ensure your lawn stays healthy after any mowing event. If weeds are growing in your lawn, it is best to get on top of them before the cooler temperatures set in. The type of weed will change what products you should use to remove them, so it's best to know what kind of weed you have before looking at products. For common broadleaf weeds like clover, bindi, oxalis, cudweed or cat's ear, we recommend a broadleaf herbicide like all-purpose weed control or bindi. The all-purpose weed control comes in an easy-to-use hose-on bottle which simply sprays out the product. The bindi comes in a concentrate mix, so you just add it into your sprayer with water and spray onto your lawn. If you're not sure what type of weed you have, feel free to get in touch with us and we'll help you identify it. Pre-emergent herbicides target weed seeds before the weeds grow and are visible in your lawn. They create a barrier at the soil level, affecting the germination of any new seedlings. This type of herbicide is great to use, particularly if your lawn faces seasonal weeds like winter grass. For pre-emergent herbicides like Oxifert, it's best to time the applications as the weather cools down in your region. For most parts of Australia, it'll be in mid to late autumn. Heading into winter, you can also look at using iron-based products to help improve your lawn's colour into and throughout the winter months. Iron products can also help strengthen your grass during this time. If you want to use an iron-based product heading into winter, we recommend Iron Guard Plus if you are specifically looking for a boost in colour, or our Exceed foliar fertiliser, which also contains iron but some essential foliar nutrients to improve your overall lawn health. For more seasonal lawn care tips and advice, check out the Lawn Solutions website or jump on our YouTube channel. And if you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to our team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to catch you next time.